Hey guys, Milwaukee continues to innovate the trades. This time they've released a new rechargeable REDLITHIUM USB neck light. And so the neck light, it started as a product for auto mechanics in the auto trades. Snap-on, Matco, they make neck lights too. And mechanics use them obviously working on engines in dark places in vehicles. I know that what you're thinking though, the neck light looks a bit dorky maybe. The neck light is basically, it appeals to anyone who doesn't want to wear a headlamp. And come on, you guys know who I'm talking about. It's a guy on the job site that can't get his hair messed up by the headlamp band, right? Doesn't want to go in the crawl space because they want to wear a headlamp. It's a guy on the job site that has the golden locks or the hair gel that can withstand 50-mile-an-hour winds. If you're this guy, this light's for you. I'm just joking. All kidding aside, I see this light as a real option for HVAC techs, electricians, shade tree mechanics, all the way up to pro auto mechanics. What makes the USB neck light so different from, say, the competitors? Well, Milwaukee took the competitor lights and they basically added innovation. They improved them and they came out with a USB neck lamp with some of their lighting technology. So Milwaukee's claiming that this USB neck light provides 45% brighter light, has longer runtime, and pivots further than the competitors. So let's talk a little bit about the light quality and what Milwaukee calls TrueView technology. TrueView technology, it's not new. Milwaukee's been doing it since back in 2015 when their engineers geeked out and engineered these high quality LED output LEDs that basically put out a neutral white color and high rendering index on the lighting. And the result is a high definition lighting technology, and it delivers true representation of colors, optimized color temperature, and an even clean beam. Electricians, mechanics, HVAC techs, anyone who works with colored wires will appreciate the true color representation. So let's talk a little bit about some of the standout features on this light. So it has dual pivoting lamps up and down, and they can be positioned in different directions opposing each other or whatever, and allows about 130 degrees vertical rotation. Both lamps pivot independently, and the lamp is powered on and off with just a press of a button on one of the lamps. You hold the button in, it'll turn on. Hold it down and you can cycle between power. It has two power modes, high and low. High is 400 lumen, and the lamp's going to give you a runtime of 2.5 hours on high with that 400 lumen and 8 hours runtime on low, but that's only about 250 lumens. Now the power button, it'll light up orange, indicating a low battery, and flash red when it's exhausted. The neck comes with a US A to C cord for charging, but you're going to have to supply your own charging block. Milwaukee didn't throw one in. I'm not really sure. They've done it with the other lights. It has a US IP54 rating, which is going to basically resist caustic chemicals, some moisture, things that you find in an auto body shop, right? And it will resist a 6-foot drop impact. It has a built-in battery. It's going to last about 2,000 charges, which equates to about 5.5 years of charging it every single day. If you think about that, I think that's a pretty good life expectancy for anything with a battery. It sells for $99 at Acme Tools, and if you amortize that $99 over that 5.4 years or 2,000 charges, that's 19 cents a day per charge, whatever way you look at it for the life of the tool. And you can replace the battery. So the battery replacement is 25 bucks. Either replace it when it dies or get a second one if you use it a lot. I tested this light mostly on high mode. I use all my lights on high. Never put much thought into why, but I guess I just want all the light. I love lumen, right? While testing the neck lamp, I found it to be certainly bright enough to do the work in an enclosed area in front of me, and even far enough out. Lit up dark places, crawl space, attic. I even took my dog for a walk at night. It was lit up. The crew used it on a recent cabinet installation, loved it. They now both want one each. We felt that light quality and color rendering was excellent, and again, big reason why folks who work with colored wires and things like that are going to like this. As a carpenter, would I buy this? Well, the truth is probably not. I'm a headlamp guy, and also I wear my hearing protection around my neck when I'm not using it. I just sling it on my neck like this lamp. So they would compete with each other and drive me insane because they would get in the way. I'd pick up the wrong one, or they would just probably irritate my neck. So I probably wouldn't buy this. I love my headlamps. I have one in my tool bag. I have one in my truck. I have one in my kits. One in my shop. I got one everywhere. So I probably have 5 headlamps, and I use them all the time, hands-free. Look, that's it for this review. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, please. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Subscribe to the channel. We need your support, and click that notification bell. Not only does it help with our rankings, but it lets you know when we put out new content. Oh, don't forget to follow Toolbox Buzz and my channel, Conquered Carpenter, on Instagram. And if you like these shirts, a lot of folks have been asking about them. How can I get these? They're listed below in the store, below the video. There's a little store you can click on. There's only a few showing, but if you click on it, it opens up a bigger view. So that's it. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you next time. Take care.